This is the ROG SWIFT PG27UQ. Now it has 4K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, G-Sync HDR, IPS, all these technologies inside with Aura Sync and all. And it comes pre-calibrated, and from what I see here, it looks like it's 100% sRGB color coverage. And what's more, being an ROG Swift model, you have this projection down here, and not just that, there's a projection right up above. See over here? I've just got news today that the price is at Rm 10,999. Yes, you heard that correct. It's priced at Rm 10,999. To put it simple, Rm 11,000. And to make full use of this monitor, you probably need two GTX 1080 Ti that comes to somewhat Rm 6 to 7,000 range. Well, good luck for that. So that seems to be some Rm 17 to 18,000 range of investment for you to enjoy the glorious feature that's available on this monitor. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and do like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.